Okay, now we get to the last part. This Arkitekto Credo, para sa quote natin. We say na when you read the Holy Letters, merong Arkitekto Credo one. That's the old one. And the new one is in a separate document. It was revised in 2018 through PRO Resolution number 5 series of 2018. So this is the Arkitekto Credo 2018 version, the new one. This is the one that you're supposed to study. So first of all, the architect's field is decided during important occasions, special occasions like the mass of dating, Ayaboa fair, and Piaboa events. Again, it was reminded by DT. Okay, so ito yun, sharing the street first. Accountability. Sabi ng architect's field, I shall work with this general objective that I am accountable to God, to Mother Earth, to my country, to my fellow men, and to myself. Norm of conduct. I shall uphold the ideals and follow the norms and ethical conduct of this noble profession. Next, professional excellence. I shall pursue moral and professional excellence to the utmost level of integrity through industrious dedication and meaningful application to my work that merits a reputation for quality of services worthy of fair remuneration. Remuneration is compensation, for those who don't know what that word means. Ethical relationship. I shall pledge myself to the highest standard of professionalism, innovation to clients, colleagues, industry partners, and society. Sharing, I shall dedicate myself to the pursuit of creative endeavor towards the goal of enlightened art and science, generously sharing it. Respect, I shall respect the rights and words of my colleagues in the profession and confine my comments to constructive intents. And finally, legacy, I shall endeavor to do my duty in the protection of our common environment and the preservation of architectural heritage for the sake of the present and future generations. So help me God. This is the architect's freelo. I don't really need to memorize it, but maybe if you can, why not? It's much shorter now, since the old one was much longer. But if I were you, pinaka-importante matandaan talaga is that there's a new one. But there's a 2018 version. Baka ina-otherwise the old one, the no one, from, I don't know, 2010, the other 2006, I'm not really sure. So that's the architect's creed.